conjuice people will be there. They want to even use that last 1 minute. They will
want to read
if you give
something.
1 minute, they will just open a textbook and read something.
I
So
remember
this
I was in this IIT Bombay interview. I was waiting for my turn. So there was a guy next to me. He's like asking me, okay, what is the formula for this stopping side distance? I forgot this particular formula. I'm waiting for interview. He's next in line. He wants to know that formula. So that anxiety, I think it gives a lot of anxiety rather.
Yeah, definitely recollecting something is very important in the exam, but you can able to recollect only when your brain functions at its best. Your brain functions when it is peaceful.
Right, rightly said.
Yes. So all your duty for the last 1 month is to make yourself ready for the final day. Instead of preparing a lot of material, studying so many topics in the last 1 month, I suggest everybody to start preparing yourself for the final day. Make yourself ready for the final day. Your body, your mind, and your emotion should be ready for the final day. That is the most important day. And this 1 month can change your entire life, because getting a good rank in GATE is not a small thing. It can give you highest rewards. It's not a small. It's like everybody says, if you get very good marks in 10th, like SSC, you will have, your life will be like
life
anything.
Is set.
Like, your life is set. After finishing 10th, we will certainly realize that it is not correct. They are lying it. The same thing they will say when you clear MCET or JEE, some competitive exam, your life is set. What is set? You will be joining an NIT or IIT. It doesn't mean your life is set.
Right.
There are so many people who spoil their careers, who spoil their life after joining NIT.
We have to keep learning. We can't stop learning at some point. Nothing is.
Yes. They end up doing nothing. They will. Those people didn't get placed anywhere. So it doesn't mean that after a stage your life will set. But compared to all these things, cracking a GATE will definitely set your life. It is not a lie. I am a live example. From a lower middle class family, now I am like so almost settled in my life, like financially, and if you see the social status, everything above board, like above middle class. This is a great opportunity. We should not miss it. And we have done so much of work. I'm sure every aspirant who is listening to this, seriously, they would have spent their day and night, their life, their energies onto preparing themselves for the courses and all. I'm not denying it is very important. And now we are in last I think last
just 2 weeks are left.
Just 2 weeks left out. So this is the time. You just concentrate, you just make yourself ready for the final day. It's not like 100%. It will not depend on your preparation only. As I told, the way you conduct yourself on the exam, how balanced you are, how calm you are on the exam, will also decide your next path of the life.
So 50% is your preparation, 50% is what you do on the day.
I've seen most of the aspirants, they will feel that they have left out so many topics, and they will take out all the topics in the last month, and just
start
before now, last 1 or they start studying it. They start. Why they are starting? They started studying this is only because they want to convince themselves that they have not left out anything.
Your mind is satisfied. Okay.
It's a pseudo happiness. It's not a real happiness. Pseudo kind of satisfaction they will get that I completed everything. Actually, this is a spoiler. One of the exam spoiler is this kind of attitude, because when you believe yourself that you completed everything. In actual exam, what will happen? You will have a tendency to attempt everything. You will try to attempt each and every question. You will not feel like leaving anything.
It's half-baked knowledge. We are trying to answer every question.
Yes. So this is a very dangerous thought process. Now, so last 2 months, please, last 2 weeks. Now we are only 2 weeks ahead of the exam. Don't try to learn new topics now.
That's very important. It's not gonna stay also.